Muthenya wa gatatu igoti-inĩ ikaru Mawakiri IEBC na Kenya Kwanza maambĩrĩirie na kĩũria kĩa mũnini wa mũcirithania mũnene Philomena Mwilu kĩgemaine na mihaka ya mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya muikariri wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati.
Good morning and welcome to the Supreme Court of Kenya.
Muthenya wa ira acirithania Njoki Ndung'u na Philomena Mwilu ni marendire gũtaũkĩrwo kũgĩkinya muikariri wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni aremwo kwanĩra maumirira ona kana kwa mutino wa kwĩnũngĩyũkia ithenya rĩu ĩkuonanire maumirira ma muthia ma commissioners matari home.
Commissioners do not do executive work. They cannot determine to charge anybody or to investigate anybody.
For instance, if he was to announce the wrong results or be incapacitated in such a manner that then he could not declare the result.
Agitetera Chebukati wa kirigithumo igayo ugete Chebukati na mahinya ma kwiyatha na gwatha kamiti ya IEBC macokio maria mangetheirwo na maruru ni mwena wa thitango kiuga gatiba ndiri na gicunji ta kiu.
We created independent commissions that do not function in the same way. For example, this commission, the Electoral Commission, the chairman has executive authority.
Na kana kwiyumiria kwa aikia a kura no gucangira gucenjia kwa maumirira ma muthia mano kwigwatira gicunji kia nuthu ya kura ciothe niguo anirwo ta muhotani. IEBC hadite ati giki ti githimi gia kumenya muhotani.
On voter turnout, was it calculated on the numbers in 34A, B or C?
Turnout refers to the number of people who have passed through that polling station in the 46,229 polling station in the Republic. So how do we determine 50 plus 1? We will say, okay, what are the total votes cast, and we will refer to the 2013 and 2017 decision of this court that said rejected ballots are not a choice of preference and the same have to be removed.
Kamiti no ho niageire kiene itemi ria agents ceceni cia wikia wa kura aikiuga machini cia KMs ne jiganu kuonania maumirira ma o muhuraniri.
Integrity, the processes that we have in terms of the KIMS return, in terms of the portal, even if there is no agent, we can actually confirm what happens.
Naona mbere ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ kĩgũithĩtie rugari umemerekia wa ũrĩa raia wa Venezuela Jose Camargo Castellanos acenjagia maumirira ma githurano mutambo-inĩ wa IEBC ni ũrehire warĩ mwari ona thutha wa IEBC gutetera itemi rĩao mwena wa gũcokia thitango kiuga ũyũ nĩ ũira mwerũ matarataũkwo kĩhumo kĩaguo.
I would wish to respond to what she has just addressed you on, because this is new material and would like to have direction.
Mr. Kirago?
Yes.
This was a question by the courts to demonstrate how this was happening.
Yes.
What we do with the demonstration. Mr. Mahat on your side did demonstrate. They have demonstrated.
I appreciate what your ladyship is saying, but Mr. Mahat, with respect, is not on our side. He is a referee. My client was a candidate. We are not on the same side. We may be respondents, but he called this match, not for us, but as required by the Constitution.
Mr.
But anyway, the long and short of it, yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
We are not going to give you time.
Much obliged.
Yes, thank you.
Thutha wa mwena wa thitango kuhanda cira na acokia thitango korwo magicokanĩria o ũndũ ũmwe na mendekithia ma igoti kũheanwo rĩu acirithania aya mũgwanja megũcokania ndundu kumanagia na haha nĩguo itua rĩa mũthia rĩkorwo rĩkĩrekererio Jumatatũ ya kiumia tũrorete. Ngiribotera Kameme TV igoti-inĩ rĩa Milimani Nairobi, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.